Hi, my name is Stuart Libden, and I have an interesting story to tell you about Holistic Dental Center. I had gone to my regular dentist, who had been my dentist for 25 years, and he told me that I needed an implant. It would be my first implant, and he said I wouldn't be in any pain, everything was going to be great. So I went and had the implant done, and I was in excruciating pain for 7 days, actually. And I just couldn't get out of this pain, and I went to the dentist several times, and ultimately he said that the implant failed. And I was like, oh man, after all that pain, it failed. Had to go back again and then again. 3 times, implant fails. He sends me to a specialist. Go to the specialist, he does it for the 4th time on the same tooth, it fails. I came to this particular dental practice, and they worked on it. And they did just a tremendous job. They used ozone. They actually took some blood from my arm and put it into my gums to make the healing process work better. And I was so concerned that it wouldn't work, and it worked. It worked. The implant was amazing. I mean, really a miracle. And then I'd been told for probably 10 years prior to that I needed 3 implants for my front teeth because I was hit by a baseball when I was 14 years old, and I had root canals there that were failing, and my gums were receding, and I was just always very reserved in going forward. But seeing what they did here, I said, let's just go for it. So they put 3 implants in. Every one of them worked. It was several hour surgery, and not only that, my right nostril had been blocked most of my life. I had no idea it had to do with the implants. I'm sorry, with the root canal. And the root canal comes out, implants come in, and right now I can breathe better than I ever have been able to in my life. So I said, you know what? Let me see if I can get the other 2 root canals reversed, and just put implants there, because I had heard that root canals were not healthy in your mouth. So I just got done with the second to the last root canal that came out. Dr. Chen is an amazing doctor, the best dentist that I've ever worked with. He did it, and I have to tell you that I needed 1 Tylenol once after the procedure. That was it, just 1 Tylenol, 1 time. And I just came back for the checkup, and everything seems to be progressing well. In 3 months from now, they will be putting in the actual crown, and then I have 1 more tooth to go to reverse the root canal. But Dr. Parth, Dr. Chen, just tremendous people, and just love this practice. I can't recommend it more highly than to say that everyone here is great. They accommodate you. It's a very different kind of experience, and the best part is that they do an amazing job.